I have this cell phone which is made by X Mobile. You can see there's the X Mobile phone which is X55 series, and let's see what is the configuration of that thing. So it says a 5.5 screen, 6 GB RAM, 6 GB storage and 2 GB RAM, which is very basic. 5 megapixel front and both cameras are 5 megapixel, but surprisingly it supports Android 13 and of course the core processor and all the stuff. So it has a face unlock recognition tool. So let's unlock it and let's unbox it and see how it look like. So just clean out. It's a plastic wrapping which is not coming anymore actually with all new brands because of the environment safe. So this is a first packing look like. So just unbox this thing. So look at this. This is the first look of the phone. The same thing they put on the cover. They put it here. Oh, that's a purple color. This kind of looks good, but not for everybody, I think. Look at the camera. This is a 5 megapixel camera, by the way, with the flashlight. Anyway, just put a side on. Let's see what's in the inside the box. So normally these kind of Chinese phone got a bunch of other stuff too, but this one has, this is a charger. So let's take out the charger from this and see. So this is a charger, and here's the battery. When I'm going to turn on, I'll open the battery, and here's the charging cable. So let's see what is the quality of that charging cable. Oh yeah, that's a Chinese quality. Oh, that's the micro USB. That's not even type C. So these are the thing, but they give the cell phone case, which is a TPO, very cheap case, but it's still there coming with that. So that's a good option for this phone. So let's put everything beside and open the phone and let's see. So just turn on, just take out the battery and let's see how the phone works and how it looks like. Sorry, I'm just taking more time to open the battery. How to open, I have to figure it out. Right there in the corner, so let's put the battery and see. I have to put it in here. So this turns on. It shows this is the X Mobile thing. Car is kind of, this is a cheap phone, so of course the material and the quality of course are cheap, but they're actually, so this is the first look of the phone. The screen is not big, but it's still usable, but it's not clicking for some reason. I was clicking, it took a while to go to the next screen, but now it's going good. It is asking for the Shanghai. By the way, it's from the China. It just says the time and date from the Shanghai, so you can understand. So this is the first thing. Look at this. So this is the common and basic Android system. Let's go all the way. X5 system. So that's good. But let me check the camera. Where is the camera? Right there? I think that's the camera. Where's the camera? Is it? This is the camera. Look at this. Now, of course, you can see it's a very basic camera. Let me check the zoom. Oh, it has a zoom. That's it. So it's a 4x zoom. So this phone is under even, I think it's $70 or something. But if you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.